Hello and welcome to Butler-HQ, and today we'll be testing out again Turtleback Scratch Repair and Renewer. Now I've been looking at some of the videos from Turtleback. A lot of people have been saying this is like a filler, it just fills scratches up. So I've got some ingrained rust stains on the back window of a Nugget. I'm going to try and get them off with this because if it removes ingrained rust stain, it's got abrasive in it. So join me and see if this is a filler or it's got some abrasive. Let's have a look. So as you can see, this is ingrained into the window. See, it's back, it's going nowhere. I'm going to attempt to remove this with the Turtleback Scratch Renewer and whatever it's called. Just see what it's doing. No, Pop.
Well, getting dark again.
Yeah, just. And that is gone. And like I suspected, after using this product before, it has got some cut to it, but it's removing stuff because it removes that rust staining, and I have managed to remove a scratch and it has come back since in a previous video. So I tried to make this. Does Turtleback remove rust from windows? It does.